So, Tova, tell me about your kids.
Sometimes my kids go to the park and my kids' mommy and daddy and the boys go on a slide. And sometimes the boys crash into the girls and that's not nice.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Graham?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
So,
No,
Tova,
it's not.
after the boys crash into them, what do the girls do?
They be sad.
They're sad.
Uh-huh.
Do they cry?
The boys are happy
No.
that the girls crashed into the boys and
No, the boys crash into
Now,
them.
how many kids are we talking about?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And what are their names?
Isabella, Caroline, and I don't know who else.
Isabella, Caroline, Tova?
No, I'm not one of their kids. And I have kids. I don't have mommy and daddy.
Yes, you do have a mommy and daddy. Mommy's upstairs and daddy's right there.
I don't like that. You lay it right there.